We're always nice, right? We're always talking to each other in a positive way.
PSJA held a customer service training for employees to help improve relationships between the district and the community.
Our staff is going through this training. It's a refresher training because we started this last year so that they understand the importance that the district is placing on giving exceptional customer service.
The training was made for our receptionists, secretaries, and clerks, who are always available to listen to concerns or answer any questions students or parents may have.
Customer service means welcoming them, making eye contact, not looking around, being empathetic, and then resolve their issue and hopefully have them walk out of there happy and satisfied.
PSJA encourages its employees to abide by their customer service standards and to follow the golden rule. Treat others as you would like to be treated.
We speak about treating everybody as family. The same thing applies to any department, whether it's from employee to employee, employee to parents, employee to students, is that we want to make sure everybody's treated with respect and treated well.
All of our employees make a difference because PSJA is courteous, attentive, responsive, and exceptional.
I hereby pledge my commitment to provide excellent customer service